your feelings.
Say it to my face. Say it to my face.
No,
You wear your one shirt every day.
These are for left-handed.
But you gonna call me fat.
I'm being kind today.
I hope to bun your tongue.
I do. I only have one shirt.
Oh, you don't have nothing to say now?
No. I only have this one shirt. That's all I have.
Acting like you all shy and everybody think I pick on you.
Mm-mm. You do pick on me. You pick on me all day.
Go ahead, say what you were saying.
All day, every day.
When? I wasn't picking on you. I wasn't picking. I didn't mess with you. All I did was come downstairs and you start talking about my outfit and how I'm fat.
You call me at work.
And how my jeans.
When I pick up, you say you fat ass and you hang up.
Oh my gosh, you're such a liar. Yeah. Rob, take that back. Now people are going to think I abuse you. Take that back. Take it back right now.
I get physically and mentally abused.
Oh my gosh.
And you verbally abuse me.
Oh my gosh. Where? Show me the bruises. Show me the bruises.
I can't show people that. It's X-rated.
You lying psycho.
I'll be in more trouble if I do that.
Show me the bruises. Show me where you're bruised.
I can't show you.
Show me right now.
I can't show the people that.
No, where? Where on you is bruised? Show me. Show me. Where?
No.
Where is bruised?
Not this morning.
Where on you is bruised? What do you mean not this morning? You liar. Oh my gosh. If you were to frame someone, I'll be going to prison. You liar. Where's the bruise on you, Marcelo?
I'm done speaking.
You liar. Good morning, guys.
You leave me there to cry.
Don't pay that anymore. He's lying.
People are
You guys,
watching me as I'm driving.
do you guys really think I would abuse him? Like, look how big he is. I can't even.
And I'm crying.
He's driving and crying. What?
Looking over at me like, what's wrong?
Don't you drive with someone in the truck? Liar. I've never seen this man cry in his whole entire life. But he wants me to believe he sit there and cry in front of someone else that he don't even know. Liar. But anyways, this what starts the conversation is my new jeans. So I come down the stairs. He's like, are those new? And I'm like, no. I had them for a while. They just didn't fit. He was like, oh, that's why. You know every piece of clothes I own? Yeah, because you're fat. You wear sweatpants all the time. Why? Why does he have to be so mean? He's mean. Look at him. Midget. Mean.
Midget?
You're a midget. Midgets are mean. But anyways. So, my flannel shirt finally fit that I bought from the thrift store. It's a Abercrombie and Fitch. And it finally fits. Oh my gosh. Well, it fit. My body is just my arm because I have really big arms. Big. So, shut up. Say something. Say something else.
I didn't say nothing.
Say it. Say it.
Nothing. I said nothing.
Shut your mouth. Keep playing with me. You're going to cry.
I said nothing.
Keep playing with me. You're going to cry. So.
You just heard your echo of your voice. That was actually fat talking.
My pants. Oh my gosh. That's right. So Rob and I.
Look at Rob's wife's stomach.
Rob and I are gonna go for.
You're never gonna pay for it?
Oh my gosh. Rob and I are gonna go for a walk. The usual morning walk that we take on the weekends.
Couldn't do it yesterday.
Couldn't do it yesterday because it was raining and I really missed it. Cause yeah, I like walking with him and talking. Oh, we wake up the toddler. Oh, she's up. So let me go get my stuff on so we can get out of here. Look at this foolishness. Rob is a child. He's a child, I'm telling y'all. So this is Rob's meal. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny. See, all the kids' little container came in handy for him. So this is 15 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 14 days. Now these are gonna go in the freezer. So this is just frozen peas. All of them are frozen peas. This is just brown rice. And then whatever protein is left over from dinner, he'll take for the next day. And that's how he meal prep for Rob have lost 24 pounds, and I've lost 29, so I'm in the lead. But I did the girl's hair today, Miss Destiny. This is the first time I flat ironed her hair in, oh my word, like 2 years. Oh my gosh, she needs a trim, but overall her hair is really healthy. I did it because I want to see what needs to be cut off, because I can't cut her hair straight. But doesn't look, her ends are not too bad, but she does need a trim. Like all of this needs to be cut off. And I did cut her hair. How long ago did I cut your hair?
3 weeks.
Yeah, 3 weeks ago. I cut off a lot of it because it was heat damage from previous years. So I'm trying to transition her to all natural. So I need to get a really good cut going on this. And then probably this is going to be the first and last that heat gets put in her hair, because I want homegirl hair to be all the way down to her toots. So, you know, Jesus, I look frazzled. Ooh, I look frazzled. Oh Lord, don't mind my hair. Rob's parents came and brought a bag for Christmas because they're spending Christmas with us. So we have to get the basement sorted out, because we have to store the stuff out on the deck in the basement. We have to store that because tomorrow is supposed to be snow, and we can't have all that stuff out there covered. Let me see if I can show you. All that stuff, where is it? All the pillows. Rob set them out to dry. I don't know if you guys, yeah. Rob set them out to dry because it rained all day yesterday. So hopefully they don't have school tomorrow like he just said. But hopefully we can get all that stuff down into the basement. And I need to go brush my hair. Rob is, are you done with dinner, honey? You're finished with dinner? Yep, dinner's done. And it's time to eat. I've been doing hair all day. Look at the toddler. Whole hot mess. These two look alike so bad, it's not even funny.
Are you done? Are you done? Why are you done? Don't step away.
Hey, twins. Hey, Twinny. You like being called Twinny? You not talk to me, Rob?
Your light is hurting my eyes.
Rob, speak to me, please.
I have dementia.
Rob, what do you mean you got dementia?
The eye hurts my eyes. The light hurts my eyes.
Okay, alright. It's not that bright.
It hurts.
Okay. Okay, so this year I'm doing stocking stuffer. So much different. I'm putting out the, yes? Okay.
They're next to the door.
Alright, thank you. So, whoever has Jason, Jordan, Destiny, Jaxson, whatever, they're going to come up one at a time and take the stuff up and put it in their stocking, and then they're going to give the stocking to that person. But I already chose everything because I'm that type of, I mean, other people did get their people's stuff. I just collected everything. Like that's Destiny. Daddy had some stuff. Whoever had money and wanted to contribute, but I bought everything for the stockings because I didn't want a lot of candy in there this year. So I did it this way, and it's much cheaper. So I'm gonna put everything out and then show you guys what I did. Some of the stuff is not the same. Not all the stuff is the same.
But they're all picking from the same.
No, the candy and stuff is the same. The other stuff is different. Huh? The little toy and knickknacks and stuff like that, it's all different.
Oh.
Yeah. But the candy and everything is the same. Yeah. Anyway, shout out to Myra on Instagram for telling me about the deal that I posted a few days ago for Maddie, the Black & Decker thing that she was like, I want. But it was like $40 and I wasn't paying that for it. So she told me that it was 50% off. She sent me a picture on Instagram and was like, it was it had posted on the Facebook group for like $20, and then I have a Target card which saved me 5%. So I paid like 19 something for it, so I have to go pick that up and I'm excited. So thank you, girl. Thank you so much. Anyways, I'm gonna go finish up this and then have all the kids come up and pick their person. Okay, so I have everything laid out over here for the boys. So I made a list, so when they come to shop for their Secret Santa, they get one fidget spinner, 3 marble, and 1 comic book. That's for the boy. And then for the girls, they get 1 watch, 1 keychain, and 1 fidget spinner. And for the hubby, I already put his stuff. That's what he's gonna get. And then this is Destiny. She bought it with her own money for her person, so she'll come and put that. And then this is all the candy that I'm giving them this year. So I'm going to cover up all of this and then just put the name on top so no one is peeking and no one knows what's going to be in their stocking. So all the stuff that I want a person to have, like specific to that person, I put it here, laid out here, because that's what it was bought for that individual. So I don't want them to come and shop from that pile and then mistakenly put this stuff in someone else's stocking. So this is how, I hope it makes sense. It makes sense in my head, but I hope it makes sense to you guys. Okay, I'm gonna call them. Okay guys, one at a time. Destiny, come on up, honey, you're first. Bring your stocking.
Okay.
And you're gonna go over there. And if you have a boy, come on, let me show you the list, the instruction. Stay.
Stay.
Everyone else stay. So this is what you have to shop from. If you have a boy, you get 1 fidget spinner, 3 marble, and 1 comic book. And then whatever, this is your item right here. And then if you have a girl, you get, unless it's mommy, you get 1 watch, 1 keychain, and 1 fidget spinner. Nothing here is for mommy. So if you have mommy, this pile does not relate to you. Okay? All right, so, and then if you have a person over here, you're going to pick the person. And if you have this double, you just lift that side. So you see how 1 napkin cover both? You just lift it over, fold it over. So enjoy shopping.
Okay.
All right, so you're next. So
Where do I go back downstairs?
put your stocking all the way in the back of the tree. Put it all the way in the back where no one can peek. And you better know which stocking is yours. Okay? All right, we're going to do Maddie. Maddie, you want to be next? You be last, okay? Because mommy can't go over there. Jason, there's a list for the boys on what you can shop for from the pile. And then whatever is cover up, you pick the name and you go show him Destiny. All right. All right. All right, go. So how come you come up without the stocking, dude? You're wasting time. Wait, we gotta wait. All right. Okay, make sure you know what you're stocking. Let me see your stocking, because there's no confusion. All right, you got Santa. Oh, it's ripped? Oh, we got new ones. Who ripped it?
Jordan pulled on it and then it ripped.
Jordan destroyed my stocking? You destroyed my stocking?
No,
So how did it get ripped?
I didn't rip his.
Go.
There's a few other stuff and play.
There's a
Ask mommy. Do you get their stuff and play in here?
yes, with where the name is. Oh my gosh. Jaxson, did you see the name with the stuff? Put the. I get frustrated when people don't follow directions. So you shot from the list for your dad?
Wait, no. No. Mommy, no. The thing you can see from the reflection. No, I didn't show that. I got
Whatever, we'll sort through the dang stocking on Christmas. Go, Jaxson. 1 fidget spinner, 3 marble things, and
I'm confused too.
I'm confused too. Do you have a boy or a girl? A girl? Okay. Look for her name and put stuff the stocking. Look for her name. Look for her name over here. If her name is here, you have a girl. Oh. Come, put your stocking. You ready? Okay. This is your person's stuff. Take it, and put it in here. It wouldn't be a secret stuffer if you didn't stuff it. Yep. Yep.
So I ran up to my tackle box to grab my knife, and it had fallen in the sand. I stepped on
Yep.
it and all
And I think you would like this. Now put the candy in first. I think you'll like that. Such a sweet girl. Put that in there. You know who you stuffing for?
Yep.
Who? You have a boy? Do you have a boy? Yes? Alright, come on. Come on. And put it under the tree. Right here. All the way in the back. All the way in the back. All the way in the back. Go the little kitty.
We're recording.
Sad.
You're about to make the whole ending for that thing.
I know. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna call it quits. I see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 15. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.